we've talked enough, right? So realize that when title and lending and tech are aligned, it makes a lot of sense to leverage that power and that value, right? If you want to, anything in closing, Mike?
No, just I agree with everything you're saying, that it can always help someone's business to have all those pieces talking together and working well together, right? Our biggest value add is that. I mean, we realize I wouldn't be here if we didn't close loans. It's almost become kind of the back end now of what I do. Like Ryan said, most of my time now is spent working on my partner's business, looking at things they're doing, adding pieces that I see they're not using, vetting pieces for them they're wondering about, but they don't know who to go to. I might call you. How many times a month do I call you and say, have you heard of this? Guys, what's going on with this? So we really are more of a working on people's business now than anything.
Yeah, because we're constantly trying to find more lead sources, because I mean there's a bunch of crummy lead sources, and I want access to leads that our real estate partners have that not a lot of people have. I mean, so our goal.
You mean they're not resold 35 times?
Yeah, they're not resold 500 times over and over and over and over and over and over again.
You weren't supposed to say it on the camera.
Okay, sorry.
But no, it's constantly I'm on title insurance and escrow. Yes, I started Navi Title for a reason. It was one of those where I want to perfect the process of a transaction when it gets to escrow. I don't want it to be antiquated. I want to spend the next couple of years of using tech to just make it seamless. There's so much involved and there's so much out there. I mean, there's technology that's coming down the pipe. I mean, people heard of blockchain. I don't know if that's really going to hit, if it's going to stay or not, but tech is where it's at. It's going to make our lives easier, but you still have to have the relationships too.
Absolutely. And I mean, hopefully this brings to bear the point that we are on the forefront of the residential real estate marketplace.
Absolutely.
And we know how to help an agent, a real estate team, a brokerage be more efficient, automate what they're doing, and make the transaction that much easier.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what we're here to do.
And exactly. And up the conversion percentage because we're involved. Right?
Yep.